This is a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 392, and it is the quickest, most powerful, most off-road capable Wrangler that Jeep has ever built. What separates this Wrangler from all the others is one number, 392, the name of the fire-breathing 6.4-liter Hemi V-8 engine you'll find under the hood. Capable of pushing out 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, it can launch the 2.5-ton Wrangler from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. Take a listen. But it's not the engine alone that makes the Rubicon 392 so brilliant off-road. They come equipped with a full-time 2-speed transfer case, Dana 44 axles with electronic locking differentials, Fox shocks, electronic front sway bar disconnect, a 3.73 final drive ratio, and 17-inch beadlock capable wheels wrapped with 33-inch BF Goodrich K2 all-terrain tires. You can see the price and every feature on this vehicle at the link in the description if you're not already there scheduling a test drive. Keep watching. The Rubicon 392 hosts a new active dual-mode exhaust system to deliver the exhilarating engine growl you just heard. Another new feature is the Hydro Guide air intake system, which includes a tri-level ducting system with a series of drains. This innovative system is extremely helpful for off-road enthusiasts who want to drive through water up to 32.5 inches deep without a care in the world. Step inside and you'll find it's every bit as comfortable as it is capable. Coming standard is a leather-appointed interior with unique bronze stitching and Rubicon 392 branded full leather seats, a 9-speaker Alpine premium sound system, a 7-inch full-color instrument cluster, and the advanced Uconnect 4C nav infotainment system. This system boasts an 8.4 touchscreen display with built-in navigation, driver assistance, Bluetooth hands-free connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and Jeep off-road pages, to name a few. This Wrangler is absolutely stacked, so it's no surprise the waitlist to buy a new Rubicon 392 is overflowing with buyers ready to empty Johnny's college tuition on a top-of-the-line new Wrangler. But with supply and labor issues still plaguing manufacturers, they're in for a long wait. So as you stare at this badass 2021 Rubicon 392 with just 74 miles on the odometer, just know this one's ready for you today at Bob Hook Chevrolet. Hit the link in the description to learn more. I'm Rubicon Don. See you soon. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we also have a Bronco.